You've just published your email campaign, but how did it perform? PosterMyWall gives you key performance insights to assess how your audience responded to your email and improve the performance of future campaigns. In My Emails, click Performance. You'll see 3 key metrics: reach, open, interactions. From the drop-down list on the top left, select a campaign to analyze. Reach shows you how many inboxes your email landed in. Click the arrow next to Did Not Reach to see how many people unsubscribed, marked as spam, or have invalid email addresses. Open tells you how many recipients clicked on your email. If the Did Not Open number is higher than you like, you may want to make your email subject line more exciting next time. If you've added a link to your website for your audience to click on, Interactions shows you how many people clicked on your link. Another really useful metric is to compare different email campaigns against one another. On the top right, click on Compare With and select a campaign. Now you can see data from the 2 campaigns side by side. You can also measure the performance of a specific email list. Choose Mailing List from the top and select a list to analyze. The open rate and click rate are overall percentages of how many people interact with your emails. Scroll down to view specific details about each recipient in your list. If you'd like to compare how 2 different mailing lists respond to the same email, select a mailing list from the Compare With tab on the top right. Comparing these groups can help you determine which audience is more responsive to your content. Now you're ready to optimize your email campaigns and become a master of email marketing and outreach.